Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part.
아빠 손 왜 먹어?
You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Gave you my heart, broken to pieces. You fixed it again. But I wonder why I can't let you in. 'Cause I love you but I can't see it through. Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time.
뭐 하는 거야?
Cold hands and sore feet. You've been walking for an hour on abandoned streets. Weak knees and fresh scars. It's a struggle when you're losing track of who you are. The words you stole won't save your soul. They can only buy you time. Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. So spent, you've been holding up the world with your good intent. Like you should, it's a burden that you never really understood. But Caroline, I'm doing fine. It's the others who are dying. Light a candle and curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes and you're breaking. You're faking. Nothing's ever wrong. Concealing.
이거 두 개 남았어, 두 개.
Always standing strong. But you don't need to act like you don't bleed when you come falling down. 'Cause there's no healing when you're not feeling anything at all. Light a candle and curse the dark. It's all the same to me. a spark, shake away heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Be a burden or a prize.
됐다.
Stick around or say
다 했다. 만세.
just don't close your eyes.
만세.
The day that we met, I'll never forget. I knew from the moment she spoke that she was destined to be my favorite regret. And all through the years, the joy and the tears we shared as the greatest of friends. But she was destined to be my favorite regret. Well, each moment we spent, I've been almost content just to talk to her all through the night. But a part of me mourns what will never be born. Forever my favorite regret.
He's gentle and kind and totally blind to not see the life we could lead. And he is destined to be my favorite regret.
왜?
In bad times and